Good morning, Mr. Paul. How are you feeling today? The oxygen therapy is helping to improve your blood oxygen levels, but it's important to remember that it's a temporary measure. We're working on addressing the underlying cause of your respiratory distress. Have you noticed any side effects from the oxygen therapy, such as dryness in your nose or throat?
Yes, Nurse Mihira. My nose and throat feel a bit dry. Is that normal?
Yes, it's a common side effect of oxygen therapy. We can use a humidifier to add moisture to the air, which can help alleviate the dryness. It's also important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids. Now, regarding your concern about long-term oxygen therapy, it's important to remember that we're aiming to improve your lung function and reduce your reliance on supplemental oxygen. We'll continue to monitor your condition and adjust the therapy as needed. In the meantime, please try to rest and avoid strenuous activities.
MIHIRA, hair fall can certainly be a distressing concern, and it's perfectly normal to feel worried when you notice more strands than usual. Please know that it's an incredibly common issue, affecting many people at various stages of their lives, and very often, it can be managed effectively with the right understanding and care. There are several common reasons why someone might experience hair fall, and often, it's a combination of factors rather than just one. Genetics play a significant role. If hair thinning or loss runs in your family, you might be predisposed to it as well. Our bodies are incredibly sensitive to internal changes, so stress, whether emotional or physical, can trigger temporary hair shedding. Similarly, hormonal imbalances, which can occur due to events like pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, or thyroid conditions, frequently impact the hair growth cycle. What we put into our bodies matters too. Nutritional deficiencies, particularly in essential vitamins like D and B complex, or minerals like iron and zinc, can weaken hair and lead to increased shedding. Beyond our internal state, environmental factors such as pollution or exposure to harsh chemicals can also contribute to hair weakening and loss. MIHIRA, the good news is that because many causes are known, effective strategies exist to address them. Identifying the underlying reason is the first step, and from there, various treatments and lifestyle adjustments can often help reduce hair fall and even encourage regrowth. Remember, you're not alone in this experience, and with the right approach, we can work towards improving your hair health.